Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. Well, I'm here on the shorter time frame. Maybe we start briefly just with the larger time frame so you get a really good idea of where we are coming from. You know that probably already if you watched the previous videos. The current idea is that we might have formed here a 1-2 setup. So we had from the larger degree swing low there in a so-called wave 4 in April, a micro 5-wave move to the upside, which is an indication of where the trend is going, in this case up. Then a 3-wave move down, in this wave 2. And we could indeed be working on a 3rd wave rally to the upside now. However, it doesn't really look like a 3rd wave yet, but this is still a plausible scenario. Kind of low confidence because of the flash crash on the 10th of October, because on the Coinbase chart we held a higher low in October here and did never break below the April low. That keeps indeed this 1-2 setup intact. A break below the April low would invalidate it also here on the Coinbase chart. On the Binance chart, we broke all the way down to 55 cents. And I mean, yeah, I said it before, this is a bit problematic from a bullish point of view, or generally from a chart point of view, because obviously we rely on data. But we use what is reasonable, and so I think the April low nevertheless can be classed as an important support level at $1.70. And we are seeing some upside momentum that's coming in. For more confidence that really a meaningful low has formed, we need a break above certain levels. Especially the level at $3.50 is important. As I said in previous videos, this is the level, you know, where selling pressure started to come in. Yeah, and the basically from where that major sell-off started. And so we need a break above this level. We're not really there yet, but on a good way, I think, but still very early days. So we need to see certainly more upside momentum, specifically on the smaller time frame, which would confirm this, further. And then obviously we can talk about these swing highs around $4.40, but we're far away from that at the moment. Now on the smaller time frame, we can see here the micro patterns, and it's difficult to call any of this impulsive. But it's possible that this here was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, and maybe we're now working on a 3rd wave to the upside here, which could get at least one more high in an internal 3rd wave. The price is currently trying to break above the swing highs from the 21st of October, 20th of October, 19th of October. This is here the area around $2.67. So that is basically next micro resistance. Yeah. And then from here, a way higher could send us to around about $3.02 and then $3.50. So these are the next key resistance levels in the very short term. Micro support is between $2.57 and $2.61. This is the nearest micro support area. I can identify a 5-wave move up, yeah, in this 3rd wave. I have to say maybe we even get one more high in this 3rd wave, depending on how we read this micro action. But important is just that we don't break below 257. Well, if we do it, it would be a reset of this wave 2. But that's a wave 2 that presumably bottomed already on the 22nd of October. But you see, this already was quite a deep wave 2. So another reset of the wave 2, it would just, again, cost all of this even more confidence, you know. In this case, lower support would be this area between 252 and 236. This would be lower support in case we reset this wave 2. But you see it was already very deep. Yeah, so it's kind of low confidence. But let's see. I mean, we'll see if the price can hold above 257. Next upside levels are clear, especially here $3.02 will be the next larger degree level above to watch. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure you check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news and much more. Thanks so much. Bye bye.